In industrial manufacturing, efficiency and traceability are everything. A well-organized workspace saves time, reduces waste, and boosts productivity. And one of the simplest, most effective ways to achieve this? Smart labeling.
At New in Marketing Solutions, we work with many companies that are looking to streamline their operations. One of the simplest, most effective tools that we recommend is the TSC desktop label printer. Combined with our polyolefin continuous label rolls, the system makes in-house labeling easier, more affordable, and more efficient.
We've seen firsthand how poor labeling slows down production, creates confusion, and leads to costly mistakes. For businesses using Lean and 5S principles, a well-labeled workspace is essential for maintaining order and efficiency. Take RHK Hydraulic Cylinder Services. They wanted a more effective way to label and identify their products. We helped them implement an easy-to-use labeling system, and now their inventory is organized, trackable, and accessible at a glance.
Every company has different labeling needs, so we work with them to find the best solution. Whether it's marking metal stock, organizing warehouse shelves, or ensuring compliance with safety standards, we've helped businesses of all sizes create clear, durable, and effective labels that fit their unique workflows.
One of the biggest advantages of this system is flexibility. With continuous polyolefin rolls, you're not limited to one label size. The TSC label printer comes with Bartender ultralight software that easily creates your labels. The auto cutter will automatically cut the label roll to your preferred dimensions. By choosing either portrait or landscape orientation, one label roll does it all. From small part labels to larger inventory or shelf labels, the continuous roll eliminates waste, adds versatility, and keeps your labeling process simple, fast, and cost-effective. Another great example is a door manufacturer that we work with. They saw the labeling system in action at RHK during a Lean group tour and realized how much time they could save by implementing it in their own operation. Now, they use our 3- and 4-inch continuous label rolls to mark products, packaging, and storage locations, keeping their workflow running smoothly. In metalworking and machine shops, labeling is a challenge, especially when dealing with oil, dust, and extreme conditions. That's why we created extra-strong adhesive synthetic labels that do not tear and stay put, even on hard-to-label surfaces like carbon steel, aluminum, and alloys. One of our machine shop clients came up with a clever idea to identify their machined items for internal use. They print a label and then apply it to an inexpensive tag, which is also color-coded, making it a great poka-yoke technique in lean manufacturing. Labeling shrink-wrapped pallets and wooden crates that go outdoors can also be a challenge. Standard paper labels often peel off or get damaged in the weather. Our polyolefin labels are multi-purpose for indoor and outdoor use, with strong adhesive and durable construction. They stay securely attached, even on rough, uneven, or flexible surfaces. Whether you're shipping large pallets or storing materials in challenging environments, these labels ensure that every item is properly marked and traceable.
At Newen, we don't just sell label printers. We help businesses find the best labeling solution for their operation. And we stay with them before, during, and after the sale.
From choosing and testing the right label material, to troubleshooting, to setup and tech support, we're here to make sure you get the most out of your investment. If you're looking to simplify your labeling process and take control of your organization, we're ready to help. Reach out to us today, and let's find the best solution for your business.